2,000 children. Go down to 100 children. 100 children, 50 boys, 50 girls. Ogun State will collect 50, and Enugu will collect 50. And the government said no, they are discussing this marriage will work in Jesus' name. 40 children. The brother say, which one be 40 again? And let's go down. 20 children. 20 children. And they said no. So 12 children, that's 1 dozen. 1 dozen. Are we counting for 1 dozen? No. 10 children. 8 children. Let's go down to 7 children. 6 children. The brother do like this. 6 children. 5 children. If you want 5, you can clap. Please write a check for the school fees of the children as you are clapping. All right, let's go. We want to have 4 children. 4 children. Even the mic off on that one. You sure say they don't want them at all. Now let's know what the couple wants. Mommy, how many do you want? They don't pass your number. How many do you want them to have? 5. We don't pass 5. They say no to 5. Ladies and gentlemen, how many children do the couple want to have? 3 children! Oh, how many children?